Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I do my YouTube thumbnails. Well, first of all, when I choose an image to use from Google, I download it. Of course, to remove the background, the white background for this image, I use Photoshop. Well, I did loads of two videos on how to remove this white background. If you want to check it out, and a quick way, like it doesn't take seconds. Stroke and shadow for the following to make it look better in thumbnails. And if you want to check these two videos, well, when we finish from Photoshop, I mainly use Photoshop to remove the background of an object, add shadow and add strokes. Then I move into Canva. Well, when I'm in Canva, I combine all the objects for the following thumbnail, like all the images I worked on. I combine it in Canva, which is a great app, creative app. I can also add text in Canva or in Photoshop, and both are effective and good. To sum it up, I use Photoshop to remove background, to add shadow, to add stroke, and I use Canva to combine my objects I just finished to make a good thumbnail. Well, guys, if you want to check my channel, I do lots of tutorials concerning these topics important to you. You might find a video that's good for you. See you next time, and if you want, subscribe. You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.